What's up everyone, it's Sejo here and welcome to another video for this Monday. And in this video I'm going to teach you really very interesting topic, and that is I'm going to teach you how to create your own social networking website such as Facebook. Yes, you heard it right. I will teach you in this video how to create your own Facebook, and that too for free. So let's get started. So first off, you got to open your browser and then go to this link over here. I'll put this link in the description below, so you can go check the description for this link. Once you go into this website, you got to click on the download tab and then click on installer, and then you got to download the OSSN version, whichever might be the latest version. So you can just download it. You can download the basic version, which is for free. So what is this open source social network? Well, it is a PHP using which you can create a social networking website such as Facebook. So they are offering this to you for free. You can download the basic version of this open source social network without spending a dime. Well, once the file is downloaded, you got to create a domain for yourself. That might be a subdomain too. So I'll be using Hostinger in this video. You can go to this website cpanel.hostinger.in to actually create a new account, or even log in if you already have an account. So I'll be logging in with my Facebook account here. And you just got to give permissions to that app from your account. And so here we go, you are successfully logged in with your Facebook account. Now from these three menu, you got to select free, and you got to click on the order button right over here. And of course you need not spend a dime in order to create a new subdomain. So here you just enter the subdomain name. For example, let me enter, it's my own facebook.esy.es. This .esy.es is actually the subdomain, and yes, you will get the subdomain unless you register your own domain. So if you want to do this for free without spending a dime, then you have to choose a subdomain. And if you want to choose a domain, of course you need to register that domain, and in order to register that domain you got to pay. So for example, I'm gonna show it with a subdomain in this video. So just enter your the name of the website you want it to be, and you can choose a subdomain from this list, and I'm gonna keep it as .esy.es, the default one, and don't make any changes with this one. And finally enter your password. You have to enter it twice in order to confirm it. And finally click on the continue button, and it says executing. So okay, it says the domain is reserved and it cannot be registered. So let me try changing the subdomain. Let me keep it .16mb.com. Oops, it says the same. Let me add a number. So I said it's my own Facebook 156.esy.es. Let me see if this domain is available. Okay, I think this domain is not available, so let me say something like Tejaswaroop 156.esy.es. Let's see if this is available. Yep, that domain is available. Now the final thing you got to do is you got to write a description over here. You got to explain why do you want to create a free subdomain. So let me say for a tutorial. And you can enter the description whatever you want, and after that you got to you got to prove that you're not a robot. So you got to tick mark this checkbox over here, and once it changes to a tick symbol, you got to click on the order button, and it says executing. And here we go, here is our new domain, and it says status active. So we have now created our own domain for free, and let's go to our domain tejaswaroop156.esy.es. So here we go, it says your account has been created. So we have successfully registered our own subdomain, that is tejaswaroop156.esy.es. okay, now let's just click on the domain name, and once you click on that you will see an option which says manage. So you just got to click on the manage with the gear icon, and once you click on manage you will see several options over here. From these options you got to search for import website. So here we go, here is the option which says import website. So you got to click on that option, and once you click on that option it asks you to drop files or click to upload. So just click on that region and you have to browse the the OSSN file which we have downloaded earlier. You should not extract the zip file, you should upload the zip file as it is. So don't extract it, just upload the zip file which you have downloaded. Just browse the file and click on open, and it should start the upload automatically. So once it has finished uploading, it says file has been uploaded. So now you can just go back to the you can go to the file manager 2 over here. Just click on the file manager 2 and then go to the public_html folder, and once you go in there you will see a folder named OSSN. So you just got to open that folder, and in that folder you will see various files. So you got to move all these files to the public folder. So what you got to do is you got to select all these files. You can just click on this this all here, and all the files get selected automatically. Now once you do that you just got to click on the move button over here, and then you will be taken to a screen just like this. Now you got to in this directory you got to remove the /OSSN from the last, and you make sure that this text box contains /public_html, because we want to move those files to the public_html folder. So once you make sure that this text box contains /public_html, just click on set all target directories. So once you do that you just click on the green tick mark symbol over here, and once you click on that green tick mark symbol, here we go, all the files has been moved, and you can just go back, and then you got to browse into the public_html folder, and inside this folder you will see various files which we have moved earlier. So from these files you got to delete the file which says OSSN. So here is the file, just check this file and click on the delete button on the top right corner of the screen and just delete this file. So once the delete is done, you just remove /public_html from this text box. Make sure that it only contains a slash, and hit enter. And over here you got to you got to create a new directory. So just click on new directory, new dir it says, and you got to name the directory as OSSN_data. So just name it as OSSN_data and click on the green tick symbol over here. So it says OSSN_data was created successfully. Now you can just go back. Okay, so the next thing you gotta do is you gotta create a MySQL database. So to do that you can go back to your Hostinger account, and let's go back to our our control panel, and from these options here you got to search for an option which says MySQL. So here we go, it says MySQL databases. So you just got to click on that, and once you click on that you will be taken to a screen like this, and over here you got to create a new database. So in the MySQL database name section, just give the name as OSSN, and in the MySQL username give the same name OSSN, and in the password section choose a password and retype the password to confirm it, and finally click on the create button. And the next thing is you gotta go back to your file manager. Oops, not your file manager, you gotta go to your website actually. So go to your website, in my case it is tejaswaroop156.esy.es. so just go to your website, and once you go in here you will see a open source social network page, and if you just scroll down you'll find a blue button which says next. So you gotta click on the next button, and once you click on the next button, you will be asked to enter the name of the database, database user, database name, database host, password, and stuff. What you gotta do is you gotta go back to the MySQL databases section, and here you will see all the details about your database. So just copy the MySQL database and you go here and enter the database user, just paste it, and yes, both the database name and the database user are same, so I'm gonna paste the same thing in both of these text fields. So the next thing is enter the password for the database, and then the database host. You can just go to the databases section, and here we go. Here is the host of the database. It's mysql.hostinja.in. so just copy this and paste it here, and you can give the name of the website to whatever you want. Like, let me say it's my own Facebook, and here you got to mention your email address. Let me say my email address, and you can give the same email address in the below text box, and yep, that's it. Just click on the install button finally, and once you click on the install button you will be asked to create your first account of your social network. Yep, so just choose a first name, let me say Teja, second name Swaroop, and then give your email address. You gotta re-enter your email, sorry, that's frustrating. Well, you gotta choose a username for your social network, not social network actually. You're actually creating an account for this open source website, so you gotta choose a username. Let me say techraj156, and then you gotta choose a password, and then you gotta choose your birthday, month, and then year. Let me say 2000, yeah. And then choose your gender, and then click on create, and here we go. It says open source social network has been installed. Well, you're done. Just click on the finish button, and then you will be taken to a page like this. Okay, now let's log in with the username and the password which you have created, techraj156, and the password. So log in with your credentials there. Just click on the login button, and here we go. Once you're logged in, open a new tab and then go to your website. So this is my website. So here we go. As soon as you go to your website, you will see your website, you will see your own social network on the screen. So okay, it says no one is online because in my website I have only one account, that is my account. So you can invite your friends to log in to your social network. So I'll show you. Let me log out of my account, and yep, here we go. Here we have a form to create a new account on this social network, and here is the name of the website which I have specified before. It is my own Facebook. So let me create a quick a new account quickly. Let's say so once you enter all the details in the registration form, it says your account has been registered. We have sent you an account activation email. Well, okay, let me open my email. So here I have an email from my website. Here we go. Okay, it says before you can start using, and it says some blah blah blah. Well, it says please confirm your email address by clicking on the link below. So let me click on the link below, and here we go. Account has been validated successfully. So let me click on the login button over here. Let me log in with my newly created account. And ta-da! Here we go. This is my own Facebook. This is my own social network, and I have created it without spending a dime.